Welcome to Splashy Land, the place where summer turns into one big adventure. Your favorite family destination just got an exciting upgrade. And trust us, you're going to want to experience every single part of it. Get ready for 3 incredible modes of play, all in one epic location. Mode 1, Splash. Dive into a world of water fun on our giant splash pad. Run through fountains, dodge the sprinklers, jump through surprise water jets, and cool off under the summer sun. Whether you love getting completely soaked or just want to dip your toes in and play, Splash Park is the perfect place to laugh, play, and make unforgettable memories. And parents, yes, there are plenty of places to relax while the kids burn off all that energy. But wait, we're just getting started. Mode 2, Bounce. Ready to reach for the sky? Our huge inflatables are packed with excitement, giant slides, obstacle courses, climbing zones, bouncing castles, and non-stop action from the moment you jump in. Race your friends, bounce as high as you can, slide, climb, laugh, repeat. Whether you're a fearless adventurer or just discovering your brave side, there's something here for everyone. Tiny toddlers, we've got you. Big kids with big energy. Oh yes, this is definitely your zone. And now, it's time for something magical. Mode 3, Explore. Welcome to Magical Unicorn Lake, the perfect place to slow things down and soak in those beautiful lakeside vibes. Take a peaceful stroll, relax by the water, explore the area, and enjoy the magical atmosphere that makes Splashy Land feel like stepping into another world. It's fun, it's exciting, it's relaxing. And honestly, it's the kind of place families want to come back to again and again. And guess what? Splashy himself is waiting to join you on your next big adventure. Wave hello, snap some photos, dance along, and keep your eyes open because you never know where Splashy might appear next. From tiny toddlers to big adventurers, Splashy Land welcomes children of all ages. Whether you're planning the ultimate family day out, celebrating something special, or just looking for the perfect summer activity, this is the place to be. 3 ways to play, 1 unforgettable destination, 1 epic summer adventure. Book your tickets now and come make magical memories with us at Splashy Land.